Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Career. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Mi Note 10 Lite, friends. So recently I ordered the Mi Note 10 Lite, and let's get started with the unboxing of this phone. So even there is another unboxing as well, Redmi Note 9. So even a lot of reviews gonna come in the next, friends. I'll be comparing plenty of comparison videos with other smartphones, Poco X2 and Realme X2 and plenty of other phones. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date information about all the smartphones, and don't forget to check out the playlist as well. So even I'll be creating separate playlist for the Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see all the videos in one playlist together. So definitely check the links in description if you want to know more playlist. So don't forget to check the links in description, friends, and let's get started with the unboxing of the Mi Note 10 Lite. So I ordered from the AliExpress, and the price is around, from the Indian currency, I guess close to 25,000 the price of this phone is. So the reason why I ordered the Mi Note 10 Lite is because of the battery, 5200 mAh of battery, and another reason is the curved display. So it is a OnePlus 7 Pro device, so which has a very good curve. So basically, friends, I am very big fan of this kind of curve edge phones. So that is the reason, two reasons: the battery and the curve reason is the main purpose of buying this Mi Note 10 Lite, and I'll be definitely using for the next couple of days as my daily user, and I'll be updating you what are my impressions about this phone. So as you can see, the phone, the color is a purple color which I ordered. So this is of 8 GB and 128 GB variant, RAM variant. So as you can see, a 3D curved AMOLED panel and 5260 mAh of battery, so which is another biggest advantage of this Mi Note 10 Lite. And I'll be doing plenty of battery draining comparison as well with the Mi Note 9 Pro, sorry, Redmi Note 9 Pro, which has a 5000 mAh of battery. So I'll be doing side-by-side comparison, and we can even get to know more things about the battery. And let me open what are the things I'm gonna get in the box. So there is a charger as well, so and the cable, and even they provide the case, I think transparent case. So let me try to open this everything. Yeah, there is a transparent white case, not the black one. As you can see, that is another good advantage. So there is a SIM card pin as well, and let me show you the what mAh of the battery is. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, for more in-depth reviews. So let me try to zoom in over there. So as you can see here, the 30 watts charger. So clearly it's mentioned here. So maximum is 30 watts, as you can see. So the charging test also I'll be doing on this phone as well, friends. So don't forget to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Definitely I'll be doing in-depth reviews on the phone, and I'm very excited. This is the first Mi phone with the curve I'm using right now. This is my first phone, so I'll be giving you my impressions about the phone. How is the curved display when compared with other phones like OnePlus 7 Pro device? Is it good or not? So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to check the unboxing of other videos as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.